We are 5 weeks out from Jamaica, and here's where we're at. Tickets, done. Hotel, done. Consent, good. Packing, not even close. Here's this week's update. So, like I mentioned, we're about 5 weeks out from Jamaica now, and to say that the excitement is mounting in the house would be a radical understatement. We're all abuzz, and here's the thing, as a family, traveling with kids, there is so much still to do. Yeah, we've got the tickets booked and we know that we're gonna get on a plane and we're gonna go there. Yeah, we've got a hotel booked, which means that we know where we're gonna be. But what we're gonna do when we get there, making sure that the kids are packed, that we have all those little things that everybody needs to travel with, that's all the stuff that's still in the works. So we got plenty to do on there. One thing that I did do was make sure that everybody's got a great travel bag, and I got them, I know, from Temu, which means one of two things is gonna happen. Either these things are going to be the best deal that we've ever found and it's gonna be amazing, or they're going to literally disintegrate as soon as we step off the plane. Who knows which one's gonna happen, but you guys will find out as we do the trip. What's still on the list of things to do? Well, of course, we've got lots of packing to do. We've got little bits and bops that, especially the kids will need: water shoes, flip-flops. I think they've all got swimsuits, so we're good on that. But lots of little things like that to do. And I'm telling you guys these things in the update because I feel like if you're a parent and you're watching this and you haven't traveled before, or you're thinking of traveling, you just haven't yet, it's good to know the things that you need to think about. And one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to find a place, I'm going to put together a packing list, and I'm going to find a place to put it on our website, and I will put the link down in our description there somewhere once I get that done. So watch for that. So with Jamaica coming up, what are we excited about? Well, just the fact that we're getting this thing done and going gives me a great sense of relief. But we do have a few things that I have planned that are going to be a lot of fun too. Number one, looks like we're going to get to go snorkeling. Now, I have never snorkeled in the ocean, and the kids have never snorkeled, period. So this is going to be something cool, something fun. We're going to go out in a glass bottom boat and do some snorkeling, so that's going to be a lot of fun. I'm very, very excited about that. We also have a food challenge that I have put together. And it's gonna go from easy things like plantain and festivals to harder things like something called Manish water. Now, I don't know if you've ever heard of Manish water. Well, I've never heard of Manish water. And we're gonna see if we can find some and try it. And if we get them all, I'm gonna give the team a special prize. Find out about that when we're on the trip as well. So I know some people watching this are probably going to think, why is this even such a big deal? People travel all the time. People go to Jamaica all the time. Jamaica's not a big deal. But here's the thing, and I said it in my last video and I'll say it again, it's more the fact that as a single dad especially, we just don't get the opportunity to do this type of stuff. 3.5% of single dads ever travel internationally with their kids. And that's why it's such a big deal, because I've bucked the trend, or I'm bucking the trend anyway. And that's why it's so near and dear to my heart, because I'm showing my kids, and I hope I'm showing you guys too, that it can be done, that these things can happen, that you can put a little bit towards it. No, it's not going to be easy, that is for sure. But if you persevere, you can get her done just like I'm getting it done. So anyway, that's the major stuff. What's coming up on the channel? This week, the last episode of the Tiny House series is coming up. I am going to head home from the tiny house, try and get some flying done, and it does not go to plan. So you're gonna wanna see how that goes. The week after, I am so excited to have fellow Canadians, Keith and Dev, on our channel for the Globetrotter Guide. It is going to be amazingly fun on July the 4th at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So look for that. make sure that you set those notifications so that you too can get in and be part of the conversation and enjoy our fun time. It's always great when us Canadians get together because you know what? There are so few of us out there traveling. I cannot wait to have a great in-depth chat with them. After that, we've also got we've got two $150 challenges that are coming up. First, we've got the Drumheller $150 challenge that's coming up. We went down to the dinosaur capital of Canada, actually the dinosaur capital of the world, I think. And we had a $150 challenge out there with the kids. 2 veto cards were used in this challenge, so you are not going to want to miss this. And then we are going to be filming a $150 challenge at the Calgary Stampede. Look them up if you haven't heard of them. It is going to be an intense challenge to spend $150 at the Calgary Stampede. Are we going to be able to do it? Well, you're going to have to find out. We're going to be filming that in the weeks coming ahead. We've got so much coming on, and I just want to say, if you have been following along, thank you. Thank you so much. Your support, your following, your likes, your subscribes are really the things that just keep us going. If you want to support us some more, I'm going to say it again, as I've said it before, join our Patreon at patreon.com/thewondercrew. Every subscription on the Patreon helps us get a little bit further. We still have our founders tier, the flight crew, at $20 per month. You're going to get all the benefits of our higher tier, and you're going to get a souvenir from us from every single one of our major trips, including Jamaica if you sign up before. Anyway, that's it for this update. I really appreciate you guys. Again, if you've gotten this far, like, subscribe, and hey, comment, I'm with you in the comments if you got to the end. Anyway, thanks a ton. We'll see you soon, and until next time, keep exploring.